Hello, welcome to my channel Home Hair Totki. Today in this video I will tell you what is the best time to drink coconut water. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Coconut water has been regarded as a miracle drink, and rightly so. It is one of the best drinks to combat summer heat and also serve as a powerful natural sports drink for an instant boost of energy. It is low in calories and contain natural enzymes and minerals like potassium that make it a super drink. While it is good to sip on fresh coconut water any time of the day, drinking it at the right time can definitely double the health benefits that you can derive. Here is everything you need to know about the best time to drink coconut water to reap the maximum benefits. The best time to have coconut water. Drink it early morning on empty stomach. Drinking coconut water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach can help in many ways. Coconut water contains lauric acid, which helps in boosting your immunity, kickstarting your metabolism, and facilitating weight loss. Pregnant women are often recommended to have coconut water to fight dehydration and constipation. It also helps relieve morning sickness and heartburn, which are common symptoms of pregnancy. Before or after a workout. As shared earlier, coconut water is a great natural sports drink that helps in hydrating your body and boosting energy before a workout. Whereas after a workout, coconut water helps in replenishing the lost electrolytes during the intense session. Drinking coconut water helps in fighting fatigue and exhaustion and is one of the best energy boosting drinks pre and post meals. Drinking a refreshing glass of coconut water before a meal makes you full and thirst, prevents overeating. It is low in calories and easy on the stomach. Drinking coconut water acts as a digestive. It helps in quick digestion and prevents bloating after meals. Regular consumption of coconut water also helps in maintaining the electrolyte balance in your body and thus keeps your blood pressure in control and improves digestive function. Before going to bed, the sweet and pleasant fragrance of coconut is known to have a psychological effect that helps diminish anxiety and slows our heart rate. Sip some coconut water before hitting the bed to fight stress and calm your mind. Moreover, drinking coconut water at bedtime may help in flushing out all the toxins and cleansing your urinary tract, thus preventing infections and kidney problems. Great hangover cure. Did you know that a glass of coconut water is one of the best home remedies to get rid of a hangover? Alcohol causes dehydration, which may lead to headache and a nauseous feeling the next morning. Coconut water helps in fighting both and also restore the lost electrolytes, making you feel better. Coconut water is packed with essential nutrients like potassium, manganese, vitamin C, calcium and dietary fibers that make it a very healthy and refreshing drink. I will give you the link of 5 best coconut water in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.